All right, so here's our answers to our Quizizz practice. So the Quizizz practice, hopefully that you realize that these first ones, 1, 2, and 3, are just like the ones above. Actually, 4 and 5 are similar as well. But first one, if I were to factor this, I would say it's x and x. Square root of 25 is 5. Different signs, plus, minus. So plus and minus right here. The next one, same idea, x and x, it's the difference of two squares, so 4 and 4, because 4 times 4 is 16, plus and minus, so plus and minus, that's this one. The next one, okay, I know I want to do this. I want to do x and 9 and 9. However, this is a plus, so they have to be the same sign, but I can't do that. So no, it is prime. Okay, what is this perfect squared trinomial? This one, is it a perfect squared trinomial? So I want to go factoring it by x and x. I want to say 64 breaks down to 8. And we also have this up in our notes. Same signs, both positive. So it is x plus 8 and x plus 8. That gives me the 16 in the middle, because 8x plus 8x is 16. So yes. Is this a difference of two squares? Okay, right off the bat, the answer is no. And I know it's a no because this is a sum of two squares. Okay, this is no. It is the sum of two squares. So is this a perfect squared trinomial? Well, it is a trinomial. We can see if we can factor it and say x and x. Factors of 9, square root of 9 is 3. Same signs, both positive. So x plus 3, this is 3x, and 3x gives me 6x. So yes, it is. I could write this as x plus 3 quantity squared. Number 7. Is this a perfect squared trinomial? Well, let's see. I've got x and x. Square root of 9 is 3. Same signs, both positive. This gives me 3x, and 3x is 6. It's the same as number 6. However, it does not give me 18. So the answer here is no. Is this a perfect square trinomial? We're going to factor x and x. Factors of 100 is 10. Same signs, both positive. This would give me 10x and 10x, which would be 20x in the middle. No. Factor this one. I'm going to x and x. I fully suggest some problems that you do the problems and then select the answer. Don't just select the answer before you've done some work. No work is really, I mean, it's wasting your time because you're not showing your work. The chance of you making an error is quite high. And then you're wasting your time and mine. So I would highly suggest you just do the problem and then answer the question. This one, square root of 144 is 12. Same signs, both positive. 12x and 12x is 24x. So yes, and that would be x plus 12 quantity squared, which is this first one. Number 10, factoring this, I'm going to say factor the 4, that add up to 4. So 2 and 2, both negative, because I want negative 2 and negative 2 is negative 4 in between. So it is x minus 2 quantity squared, which happens to be this one. 25 is 15. So this is perfect and perfect. So I could say x and x, 15, 15. Same signs, both negative. Negative 15x and negative 15x. I can write that as x minus 15 squared. It does give me a negative 30 in the middle, which would be this one. And the last one, I've got n squared plus 10n plus 25. Checking to see if I can factor this. N and n, factor the 25, that add up to 10. 5 and 5, both positive, same signs, both positive. 5n and 5n is 10n. So it can be either n plus 5 and n plus 5, or n plus 5 quantity squared, which is this guy. All right, so that's your key for this. Now you are definitely ready for the point number 15 in Schoology. You could probably also do the performance task in Schoology, by the way.